Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I am in Maple Shade, New Jersey. I'm in their high school at a beautiful program called A Place to Go. We're going to do what you call a Worst Cooks competition. We have Cameron from season 15 as a coach, me, Frankie Meatball, as a coach. We have
Christy.
We have
Bridget.
Racy. We have Clyde. Liam.
Jenna. Shane. Kyra.
and of course you got Frankie Meatball, and we're gonna cook you a nice dish. Grilled chicken, guys, okay, and mashed potatoes. As you can see on the table, there's mushrooms, spinach, ginger, fresh garlic, chives, some seasonings.
The possibilities are endless. I mean,
You can mix it up any way you want. You got to put your own spin on the chicken. You cook your chicken, you got to make a topping to go on the chicken, and you got to make your mashed potatoes. I know you guys never made mashed potatoes, that's why me and Cameron are here to help you get through this. You tell us what you want to do, and we'll help you do it. Go to your station behind you, you'll see your potatoes, and you'll see your chicken. Okay? The water's just about to boil, so let's turn it up, let's get that real nice boil. And you can put your potatoes in now. You want me to put the potatoes? I love the skin. Skin's good. So if you're going to use the skin when you clean the body, you want to make sure you clean them, okay?
is this to mash them? Just to mash them.
I want to mash them.
Yep, so you just mash them so they gotta be really soft, right? Okay. Yeah. So if they're not soft, are they gonna mash? Yeah. No. If you do it hard enough,
Can you put anything in the potatoes? Like anything like
flavorings?
I feel like the best would be garlic.
You can do garlic mashed potatoes and chives, sour cream. That can be good.
You want to make sure you spray your pan. Some cooking spray. Okay? So you're going to let that get hot. While that's getting hot, does anybody have any ideas what to put on top of their chicken? You got mushrooms, you can do just mushrooms, you can do just spinach. It's up to you. What do you want to do? You want to mix them both together?
There you go.
Mushrooms and spinach.
So you do mushrooms and spinach?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we're going to get a paper plate from over there.
So it's not sticking out.
That will, both of these cook down, okay?
So while that's going.
Okay, now you got your
What are you
topping.
thinking about?
Okay? So we'll sit that off to the side.
We wanted to move.
We got fresh garlic, we got fresh ginger.
I was having
We got some
mushrooms.
other seasoning. What do you want to
Listen,
season?
Cameron, you gotta expand their palates.
Okay, that's
You
what
gotta
we're gonna do.
expand their palates.
We're going to do
This?
Yeah.
ginger and garlic always go good together. Okay?
Got bad leafy
So
greens.
we're going to use this.
Okay, that's good for that. Okay, so the chicken. We already got
See
salt
how
and
the
pepper.
oil's
Okay,
beaten up?
so you guys got salt and pepper.
So
You have all of this too. Okay, so you have onion powder.
All
Of
of
course.
it.
No, don't take it all.
A little
Just saying, you have all this to choose from.
Okay?
Okay.
So what we're going to do is
you have
we're going to
thyme,
cook the chicken first. In the pan.
oregano,
Chicken's
basil.
going
So
to
this is
take
more like an Italian thing. You know, you
out
have
of the,
basil and oregano. Stuff like that.
Out of the frying
That's like
pan.
more of an Italian
Put it on the
flavor. You know
side.
what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, you guys like
Then
Italian
you
flavor
just throw.
stuff? I am Italian. What are you talking
do?
about?
It's going to cook in the pan.
Parsley
with
is
the
fantastic.
chicken.
Parsley and granulated
Same
garlic
pan
is
of
good. Just
chicken,
gotta
so
be
the
very
chicken's going to
careful with granulated garlic.
the chicken.
A little bit goes
Okay.
a long way.
So
It's
you
very
got
short.
the easiest way to open up garlic. You're going to cut the top off. See that top right there? Cut the top off. Now the easiest way, you put the knife down.
Okay, so you can do garlic parsley.
Down on your
I
hand.
would recommend
Fingers up. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Chives are very good for
And watch out.
it just goes right on top.
See how it comes right
It makes
off?
it pretty too. Okay, because you know you eat your eyes, right? Yeah. Right?
Look, it comes right off, and now it's easier to chop. So you just slide your knife down it like that.
That's very good.
Okay? And then just run your knife through. Chop the top off of it for you.
You guys like
Put that to the side. That'll be our trash pile, okay?
Fresh garlic is the best garlic.
Now,
Okay, you guys ever minced
go,
garlic?
put your hand up.
No. Okay, so
Alright, now,
garlic
hit down on there. Harder, come on. A little,
this, a little bit more. Okay.
little more.
Very careful.
Boom. And whenever you're cutting with a big knife, see how my fingers are tilted in? And you want the back of the knife right here. So this way, you'll never touch the blade. Okay? And take your time. Speed will come. Speed will come with experience. So, you ever see this on TV?
Very fast.
I'm only going to do that when I can do it. I don't want to cut my fingers. I play guitar. Alright, you hear that? Good. Now it's ready. That's what you want to hear. So who wants to cut the mushrooms?
Me? I guess.
Okay. You want to use a big guy or a small guy? What do you feel comfortable with?
Big guy.
Okay, you gotta be very careful. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, now stop. Yep. Stop. There you go. Okay, good. Perfect. You want to take it easy. Take it nice and slow. You want to try? You want to try? No?
Alright, so, you ready for chicken? You ready for it? Okay.
I want to mash it.
So, go ahead and take one. Take one. What? I didn't get to do anything. Take that side down first. Right there. Just lay it right down. Oh gosh. Keep it right there. So, we'll leave it brown on the other side and we'll turn it over on the other side. That's why I don't want to keep it too high. Keep it too high, cooks really fast and it burns. Burn chicken, not the best thing, right?
This is how you get worse cooks.
Yeah.
You just leave it there.
So, just don't let it burn. That's all you gotta do. It's such a little thing. You just flip it over one side and you see this side. It smells good, right?
I find flipping with these way easier. Just grab. That's what. Alright?
Whenever I make big potatoes, I always use like sour cream with cheese. Then when I saw the bacon bits, I'm like, I'm gonna add a little twist.
Beautiful, right? Yeah. Flip it over.
Everybody know what I'm doing right now? What's that called again?
It's on the highest.
Who's in place? Me in place.
Me and
What's the French word?
Me and plate.
Mise en place.
Mise en place.
Alright, so what is the shot?
You got a new teammate. That's Adriana.
See? You're good.
Ocean of emotion, Clyde.
I guess. You got this. Hey, look. Get brown. Is that good? Yeah. Turn over. Beautiful.
And the other one.
Good? So they can just mix all these
Yeah,
together.
a little bit.
Yeah?
Really so hard.
Just mix all these together and put them in there.
It's still hard.
Okay. Yeah. Well, theirs is the same way, so. So Yukon Gold potatoes. Here you go.
We got Irish meal.
You got this. We're ready to win.
Second.
Then 7. Go ahead and turn it. Be sure.
We're Scottish. We're
Just go in under there.
Irish.
There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
We are Italian.
And once the chicken gets done, then we can start cooking the spinach and the mushrooms down. Okay? Yeah, let's cut them. So, you guys want to cut mushrooms?
Oh, I know how to cut mushrooms.
Okay, you know how to cut mushrooms?
Yeah,
Like, you cut the stem off and then you cut them in half. Well, that's how I cut.
Hey, you do it.
That's how I
Go ahead.
cut
Right, then you do it. Yeah, you do it. Go ahead. Top of it. Go ahead. You're good.
It would be really funny if we tasted like hibachi grilled mushrooms.
Yeah, you just want to make sure, you know,
Then all you can eat.
close to everything. You're doing great. See? You're good? You need a fork? Not done yet. This one's getting almost. We're almost there.
We're testing the potato to see if it's done. If it's done, your fork is going to go right through. If not, it's going to stop at a certain point. It's not done, right?
Yeah.
It's not done. So we're going to let that cook. This, see how it's pink right here? You see that, how it's still pink? That's not done yet. This one's done. Okay? If you watch the show, brown food is good food. Right? Brown food is good food, eh? Alright, so we'll let that finish up. So I'm going to show you the proper way to open an onion. Okay, because right, look, it's hard to cut the onion. Cut the back off. Okay? We'll put that to the side. the root up. Take your knife, go through the middle, down. Now watch this. Take the skin off. We're gonna dice it. Okay? Don't go all the way back.
For the crying.
Don't go all the way back. Because this root is going to hold it together. Okay, so you're going to go down, and then down again. Just make slices in it. See? And then you take your knife through the middle of the onion halfway. See? Now watch it.
That's a lot of onion.
Look how small it is. See that?
Chicken check! Chicken check! Chicken check! Chicken check! Yeah, every time you say potato check. Potato check.
Potato masher. How does that look?
Okay.
Let's keep it on there. I got it low for a reason.
Now what we're going to do is lower this.
Chicken check. Keep it on there a little longer.
Check. Slow down a little bit.
Chicken check. Chicken check.
I can wiki.
Chicken good?
Is it good?
This one's, these two are so hard, but this one's really good soft.
Okay. Sorry, whack.
Ladies first.
Perfect. Let's take it off. Put it on here. Alright, so.
We're gonna replace the garlic and all that with bacon and cheese.
Perfect. Yep, so we're going to get it off. Olive oil.
No, garlic and
Chicken.
Wait, we're gonna replace
Throw this away, guys.
So now,
Go do it, Royce.
grab the
mushrooms.
mushrooms.
This one's soft, the tiny one.
Soft? What the other ones? How they feel?
Oh, they're still hard.
So hard? Okay.
Oh, God.
Do you want to mash the tiny one?
Here, you. Mix that up.
So I just leave them all in there. So,
Now we're going to mix
you guys
something
want
up.
to do bacon, right?
Yeah.
Get at the bottom, turn it over. Okay? Alright, see that? You need to get this chopped up, slice that up a little better. You want to do that, the honors for me? Oh,
Never mind.
just chop that up.
Never mind.
Alright? Just want to make sure the garlic isn't burning. Okay? Yeah, alright. Very nice.
Real quick,
Look
there's
at
no
this. See
French
that?
right
See
now.
that brown? Remember I said brown's food tastes good? This is called the glazing. Now watch this. Watch all that stuff from the bottom. It's going to pull the pan off. See how it comes up? And now you just mix it together. Look at that. Look at that. Now, take it off the heat. Okay? Take it off the heat. Okay? Throw the butter in. Yep, the two pieces. All right, throw it in. While the pan's still hot, mix that in. Melt the butter. Mix it.
That's good, right?
Anyone else?
Now, very important, never forget the salt. Put some salt, pepper in, okay? Yep. Pepper and a stepper. We're talking about that one. Pepper and a stepper. Pepper and a stepper.
Pepper in the stuff. What does that mean? It means put pepper in your stuff.
They're getting there. Is it all melted?
I think so.
All right, let me see. See how it made a nice sauce?
Just put these in there.
No, it's spinach. Or I forgot what it is.
What's the potato check? Potato check! Potato check! Potato check! Okay. Potato check!
Still hard, except they're not
This one's falling apart.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, let's not bother that one. Let's bother the other two. So the other ones are not done. How the other two not done?
No, they're still hard.
Still not done? Okay, so let's keep starting. So it's starting to thicken up. You already see that?
Are you adding any more mushrooms or no?
Make sure you put a like on this video.
So you guys want to do some oregano, right?
Yeah.
So you guys want to take some, put it in your hair.
Now, see how this is kind of like a spoon sauce?
That's good. Just toss it. Alright. You guys are going to
Yeah, to be fair.
once you guys taste this,
We
tell
want
me,
to taste it.
because it's like Frank has said, you want to taste everything you make before you plate it, right?
Yeah, before you.
Alright,
We got forks. We need forks over here.
alright, my team. I want everybody to taste it. Where's that?
Make sure you get a little bit of everything. Go ahead.
Right.
Yeah, grab a fork.
That's what my mom does. She makes
Are you making pizza?
she makes spaghetti and then.
This is really good.
I think the potatoes are good.
Did you taste all the ingredients that we cooked?
I taste all the.
Get your butter.
I'm actually, I want to
We got our butter. Where's our mise en place? For the taters. Who wants to take it? Take out the 2 small potatoes. I'll take that.
This one?
2 small, put them in the bowl.
I thought it was done.
Okay?
Can I make a heart?
Muscle man. Mash them up. Mash them.
It's Mario.
Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl one. There you go. Now mix this up. Mix it up. Get 3 pieces of butter. Throw 3 pieces of butter in there. While this is hot, while it's hot, you want to put the stuff in.
I am experienced in this field.
All right?
I'm not an artist.
Get mixed.
We are
Be careful.
So that's how you mix?
I don't know.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
we have to plate the mashed potatoes too.
Easy. Put some
We
in.
gotta make the heart and put the mashed potatoes. We gotta make it a little bit smaller.
You can never take away.
I'll make a house.
Okay? Grab me some salt and
Can I
pepper.
make a house?
And then mashed potatoes, isn't it? Okay.
The mashed potatoes are the people. Salt pepper.
What about putting chicken in the middle and the mashed potatoes on the outside?
I'm letting them choose their shape.
We can make a circle. We can make a circle and then, yeah. You wanna make a circle?
What'd you say?
She's a genius.
Genius! Genius!
We're gonna make a circle.
Taste. There we go. Got me a fork.
Oh no!
Taste.
So it's like the chicken,
What do you think? More salt? Wow, what do we need?
and then the mashed potatoes.
More salt?
What about all the extras? Definitely.
We can eat them.
Here.
So let's get
More
some
salt?
napkins and clean it up as much as possible, okay? So we
Tell me when.
Okay, so you have to try this. I'm gonna eat this raw.
Delicious.
Yeah, finish it.
Fine.
I'm going to put a little more garlic in it. How much? More garlic?
I don't know. You're hoarding all this stuff. Tell me where it's from.
Play Super Smash Bros.
You've never tasted good mashed potatoes?
Oh god, there's so much smoke I can't
Just a little
see.
extra work. But,
Yeah. So here, get some milk.
okay, eat that.
Hey Frank, how much milk did you guys use?
Can I take this off?
Pour it in until
That's
you
what I
get
did.
the consistency.
More milk, right? More milk. So go ahead.
Gotta make it look beautiful.
Start to look better, right?
Same here.
Just my decoration.
Yeah, just keep going, yeah. Just keep mashing.
Guys, take a picture of your plate.
Now? Thank you.
This is very simple, right? So,
Jacob, did you get a picture of that? Did you get a picture of the dish?
part of this one tastes actually.
Get a picture of the final dish.
Okay, so you guys want to ask us how we're going to do this? Yeah, come into my kitchen.
Good. Did you guys do a good job?
Everything is called prepping.
Has it need salt?
Prepping the machine. You got everything
Yeah.
ready.
Alright, now wash.
So yeah, now you wash it off.
So leave the place. You get yourself a
What do you think?
What is the glazing? What goes on first?
Better? So good now? Good? Good? Because I want you guys to taste. I want you guys to taste. Is it done? You think it's ready to plate? How's it?
I think it's fine.
Good? You sure? You eat it again? Alright, so let's get a spoon. Is this one fine? Yeah, it's fine. Alright. Wow, alright, so here you go. Alright, here you go do this. Here. Mashed potatoes on the plate. Good, yeah. So just put it right there.
Can I put the bacon bits and cheese on it?
Yeah, it's alright in here now.
It's taking all ingredients. Just put them together.
So
You gotta know
we have the gate, we have the sand, and we have
Once you know what the ingredients taste like, when you're cooking something, and you're looking at your ingredients, you feel it.
A little bit of chives on this. You're done.
Maybe it tastes like
Anybody want to finish that? No. We had 2 teams do 2 dishes with the same ingredients, and I bet you're going to be totally different. here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Again, we are at a place to go in Maple Shade High School. They do wonderful things for the community. Check out their website, guys. Get involved. They take donations. So please, help them help others, okay? Check the website out. Make a donation. Help them help others, guys. Okay, so we're going to call the first team up to come and get taste test.
Please tell us, what do you have?
What was in your chicken? What's on top of your chicken?
Mushroom, spinach,
Okay. Now, what did you flavor it with?
garlic, and ginger, and onion,
Okay. Now, so what's the sauce made of?
butter, and cooking wine.
Butter and cooking wine. What do we have here for the potatoes?
Loaded mashed potatoes.
Loaded mashed potatoes. Judges, please dig in. Not bad. These guys look good. So we're going to call this Team A plate. Now we're going to bring up Team B's plate. And what do we have here?
Chickens and mashed potatoes.
So the chicken is flavored with what? Garlic?
The chicken is flavored with garlic,
Okay.
salt, pepper,
Okay. And you cooked it in butter.
and we cooked it in butter.
Oh, butter. Everything was good with butter, let me tell you.
Mashed potatoes. Like that.
And the mashed potatoes has milk, bacon, and cheese,
Okay.
And garlic.
and garlic. And the sauce has mushrooms, spinach, garlic, oregano, and a tiny bit of cooking wine.
Okay. Well, it looks very good.
Very creative presentation. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Judges, I'm going to sit down with the judges and we're going to discuss who the winner is. But let me tell you, in my book, they both did a fabulous job and they're both a winner. But unfortunately, we have to pick one winner. So good luck to both teams. So the judges came to a conclusion. Just to let everybody know, we were just coaches. We have nothing to do with the turnout. We had nothing to do with the way the food tastes. They told us what they wanted to do and we helped them recreate. Right? Guys, good job all
Yes,
the way
good
around.
job to all of you. High fives.
Judges,
Judges, high five. Judges always need high fives.
pounds.
It's the hardest job in the world, right?
Team A, that sauce was amazing. And those potatoes were nice and smooth. Team B, the presentation was really nice. And those potatoes and mushrooms were everything. So plate A, the presentation was okay, but there was runniness, so it didn't really look good. It looked like something should have been in the middle of that.
Okay.
to
So the sauce
cover that.
pretty much was just running into the potatoes.
Yeah, so it didn't look
Gators.
that good. Plate B had a very nice presentation. The potatoes were really good, really, really flavored well. The chicken was a smidge dry, but it was okay. It was okay. The mushrooms were so good, flavored so well. Like I said, the only thing I could say, I did notice there was a little bit of potato that wasn't quite cooked, and I know that was an issue with you guys, but this was very good. And both of them were amazing, but we had to choose one.
Big. There you go, guys. A place to go. Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Every Wednesday we have a new episode. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. And remember, everybody needs a place to go, guys.
Yay!
We'll see you next time.
She dropped the curse without